Rob, go ahead. Let's call out to a couple of these manufacturers. Obviously, this is not going to be exhaustive or thorough, but let's say somebody is getting into this. Let's give them a couple names and we can throw them out on the chat line. We'll chat with everybody. What are some of the names of the companies that you would recommend looking into? And I'll throw some of those names up on our chat lines.
Yeah, well, Sunwise is great. They've actually helped donate a system to some of the testing we're going to be doing in later videos. So that's one out there.
Shout
Amoresco
out to our
Solar has been,
Sunwise guys. Sorry, shout out to our Sunwise guys.
yep, Amoresco Solar, another one that's been around for a long time. Another good one out there. Uh,
AMRESCO.
Ameresco.
Very cool. All right.
Solar Flexion is another one out there, and that's so LAR Flexion FLEXION.
Thank you for joining this quick cut of Converge PoE, a live stream where we cover all the different topics you want to know about products that are coming onto Power over Ethernet or in ICT in general. Join us every other Tuesday for our live stream to talk to the experts yourself. Your comments matter. What you need to know is what we want to know. So join us every other Tuesday at 11 a.m. right here on your pick channel.